we cut across to breaking news coming in from down south. Tamil Nadu Minister D. Jayakumar and other senior leaders of the AIADMK have lodged a complaint with the DGP office against expelled AIADMK leader VK Sasikala for using the AIADMK flag in her car after she was discharged from the Bengaluru hospital on the 27th of January. I want to cut across to Apurva, who's joining us live from Chennai. Apurva, firstly, what had happened in this matter? And given Sasikala's release, we may just see more fights to this effect in the time to come.
Well, that's right, definitely, because VK Sasikala was in fact the General Secretary of the AIADMK, and as we can see right now, 5 of the top leaders of the AIADMK have gone to file an official complaint with the DGP here in Chennai against a vehicle. Remember, when Sasikala was discharged, she had used a vehicle that was under the ownership name of Jaya Publications, and this was one among the many vehicles that former Tamil Nadu Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha had used. In fact, this vehicle had the serial number 3377, which is also among one of the set of the cars that the former Tamil Nadu Chief Minister had used. Remember, the AIADMK had already commented on this, saying that this has nothing to do with the AIADMK. The AIADMK is still strong as a party, and they are not affected in any way now that Sasikala has released, is what we had also heard. In fact, the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Edappadi K. Palaniswamy had also stated just a few days before Sasikala was released, he had given a very strong, stringent statement saying that 100% there is no chance of return for VK Sasikala into AIADMK, is what the AIADMK's co-convener as well as the Tamil Nadu's state president, State Chief Minister Edappadi K. Palaniswamy had stated. So with the AIADMK still being strong, in fact, AMMK's chief TTV Dinakaran, who is also Sasikala's nephew, had given a statement day before yesterday where he had said that VK Sasikala is all expected to return back to Chennai on December 7th. In fact, today he had given an updated statement saying that both TTV Dinakaran will be accompanying VK Sasikala back to Chennai on February 8th, that is on Monday, and that there is going to be a grand procession that will follow upon her arrival. That is, in fact, TTV Dinakaran also continued to say that right from Tamil Nadu border up until the house where VK Sasikala will reside in T Nagar here in Chennai, cadres will be lined in large numbers welcoming back Tyagat Talaivi Sasikala, is what TTV Dinakaran had said. Tyagat Talaivi,
in fact, slight signs of it that we've already seen until now. And the bigger question being, Apurva, are they sensing a bit of competition with Sasikala now out? How will her loyalists take to her? And eventually, what will be the fate of the party? How will she branch out? And they will obviously feel that in the days to come, depending the kind of divide. So, again, like I said, that these are only the initial signs. What may happen in the time to come will be far more escalated probably, but of course, we wait and watch that. Apurva.
Well, that's right, definitely, because, over the past couple of weeks, we had already seen a lot of posters that had come up where several AIADMK cadres from across districts had put up posters welcoming VK Sasikala, saying Chinnamma Varige, and several of these cadres who had posted such similar posters had also been given a letter of termination by the AIADMK. In fact, it so happened that there were also political analysts who commented that how long will it be before cadres, if this is going to be the state where the cadres are going to be terminated for posting up posters, then we will have to wait and see when VK Sasikala comes out what is going to be the actual crisis that will arise. But as of now, the AIADMK still remains strong on its hold. Yes, there have been a few cadres who have been moved from their post in the party after Sasikala's release, after they had put up posters saying welcome Chinnamma. But now with the AIADMK's top ministers having gone to the DGP to file a complaint, definitely things seem to be heating up in the AIADMK camp ahead of Sasikala's return to Chennai.
Certainly. Apurva, I thank you for getting us these details. We'll keep coming back to you. For the moment, we move on.